What the brap is up, fellow Rapsters? Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent here, and I'd like to welcome you to my new series, Gear I Use and Trust. Gear that I actually use on the trail, trust enough to recommend to you, as well as trust enough to be in the middle of nowhere and trust it to help keep me a happy camper. Because that is the goal of this series, to help us all be happy campers. I have 8 criteria that we go over in each gear review, and those first 3 are to do with price. They are budget, mid-level, and pro. Budget is going to cost less. It is usually for beginners or Rapsters on a budget. Mid-level usually costs more than budget, but it usually has certain features that make it more suitable for motorcycle camping, such as it's lighter, or it compacts more, it's more durable, it's multi-use, things like that. And thirdly, pro. Those are usually the most expensive. They usually have the most features, usually the lightest, most packable, and durable. Then we have the other 5 criteria, and those are, is it lightweight and packable? Is it easy to use or set up? Does it do what it says it's going to do? Is your sleeping bag that says it's rated for 20 degrees really rated for 20 degrees? Is it durable? Is it going to last? And lastly, cost versus value. So for the cost you pay, does it really bring enough value to be worth it? So we're going to get into today's video. And in today's video, we're going over my FIREBOX stove. Oh, you've already seen my FIREBOX stove review. Crap. Well, this is a different one. I talked to Steve, the owner of FIREBOX Stoves, who lives in my state. He also got a 701 this year and has been doing moto camping and cooking some seriously delicious looking meals. Steve was kind enough to let me try out the titanium version, which literally, I believe, is almost exactly half the weight, like 1.5 pounds, 1.6, something like that. So thank you, Steve. I am totally excited. My dog is looking at this and knowing that steak is going to be cooked soon. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Hi. You want some steak? Oh, yeah? I'll show you what's inside. I'm not going to do a review on it yet because I got to, burn it in, get the chemicals off. Let's get into what came in my package. A nice case, which I love. Came with the steak, a little bit bigger grill than the normal one. As you can see, it'd be hard to cook a steak on that. Not so much on this. And you have your FIREBOX stove. These are the fire sticks. You see the hook. They can go through to hold your grate at a certain height. You can also use these to make shish kebabs, skew the meat and veggies and cook it on the trail, which I plan to do soon. That looks awesome. It also holds on the ash pan, which you just pull off. Let's go over the first 3 criteria of gear that I use and trust. And I would rate the FIREBOX titanium version 5.5 stove as a pro. It is costly. I believe it's about $150 on the website. So price puts it in the pro. Also, a couple other things put this in the pro category. Number 1, it can cook you a steak, so we're just gonna throw it in pro right there. Love having steak on the trail. But besides sarcasm, which is only half sarcastic, pro, it is lightweight. It is very packable. It is very easy to set up and use. It does, however, require a little bit more maintenance and care. Does it work as intended? Yes. It cooks your steaks, it'll cook bacon and eggs, whatever. And it's very easy. You just need to find, you can even use twigs, so you don't have to carry fuel with you. It is multi-use. I use this as my campfire when I'm solo camping. I don't want to do a big fire. I don't have to worry about putting out with limited water on the bike. I'm sure you've all been there looking at your fire, looking at your water, going, Is there a stream by? Can I refill my water soon? So this keeps it small, keeps it contained, very easy to put out, and gives you the same feeling. Plus you can cook on it and enjoy your campfire. Is it durable? Well, the stainless steel is. I've been using that for a year. I can tell you that's durable. I'm expecting no less of this. You can check back later, or you can ask me in the comments as we go. This will be my first moto camp with it tonight. So durability I can't speak to other than its brother, which is twice as much weight. Price for value. Well, this was sent to me, so I think it's worth it. However, on the stainless steel, I definitely have got my use out of it. I believe it's worth the price and the value. To me, already shedding half of the weight of its big brother is worth the price / value. And I know what you can cook with this. As well as I said, use it as a campfire. So in my opinion, this would be a buy nice, not buying twice. Thank you for tuning in. I am hoping to enjoy bringing you many of these gear I use and trust videos. Like I said, the goal is to keep us all happy moto campers. But to do that, you need to get your gear, whatever you can, get out and go camping, or else you can't be a happy camper. So as always, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby. I'm hoping that Steve and I can get together, go do some moto camping on the 701s, maybe a little fishing, and hopefully have him show me how to cook at least one excellent meal on this. I'm getting good at the steak, and the brats. Go check out FIREBOX Stove on YouTube channel and look at his recent videos with the 701 moto camping and cooking up some fish and some delicious meals.